Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So, today we are going to read a book together. It's a children book. So it's called Birayê Emmayê nexweş. So Emma's brother is ill. You may know this book because it's from, if I am not wrong, it's a translation from Swedish. I think so. It's from Swedish, yeah. So we will be reading this book together. So I will read it, you will listen to it. I will try to translate some parts if I can. It's hard to translate sometimes, and for me at least. But before we start reading, I want to let you know about our upcoming elementary course. So our elementary course will start next week. First lesson will be on Saturday, 1st of April, and the timing will be 9 p.m. For our time zone. So it will be 8 in Europe, if I am not wrong, and it will be 7 for for England, and for United States you need to check. So so we are located in Turkey, and our time zone is GMT plus 3, okay? And so it will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So you will have 3 lessons a week, 3 hours. So grammar lessons will be on Saturday and Tuesday, Saturday and Tuesday, and Thursday we will have speaking class. So there will be 2 teachers during the class. So I lead speaking lessons and my colleague Malik leads grammar lessons. So one day for grammar lessons, one day is for explaining grammar rules, how to show, to teach how it works. And the second grammar lessons is more for exercises. So you do listenings, you read, you do exercises. And on speaking lessons with me, I try to teach more vocabulary, and I make you speak. So it's my task, okay? I make you speak. So as I said, it will start next week on Saturday. I will put a link under the video. It's just you will enroll, and the fee is just $300 for 2 months. All listenings are from us. We prepare our own listenings. We prepare our own materials, and we share all of them with you, And we record all the sessions and we share them with you, and you can access them forever. So they will be open forever if nothing happens to our website. So it's my wish. And so you have 2 options actually. So one option is when you join live sessions and you watch the videos. So it's first option. And second option, you only watch videos. So you don't join the lessons, but you watch videos. So, and the second option, when you only watch videos, it is $150. So it is $150, and it will take it is 2-month long course, and we will start next week, don't forget. And let me speak about our content. So what we are going to teach you, right? So in the first lessons, 2 or 3 lessons is for reviewing. So you review izafe, oblique, present tense, like saying I have, you have, because we teach these topics during our beginner course. So you review all these. These are really important. When you learn izafe and oblique very well, so you are free for all tenses almost. So, and you learn subjunctive mode. It is very important in Kurdish. We use it a lot. It's the form which is with b. And you learn models, how to say I have to, I want to, I need to, I should, I must, I know how to do it, I don't know how to do it, or I can't do that. Okay, you learn all these models, and you learn how to describe things without saying the noun. So it is like when you say mine, yours, because it is a bit different in Kurmanji. You need to take off gender, number, all these things. And you will learn future tense, which is really important, very useful. You will learn many phrasal verbs, you learn conjunctions, and you will compare present and subjunctive. So it's for grammar lessons. And during the speaking lessons, I am trying to teach you like vocabularies from daily life, and I want you to use all these topics which you study during the grammar lessons. So if you are interested if you know some basic Kurmanji, you can just come and join us. We review things during our lessons, so don't be afraid. Just be ready to study by yourself also, not only lessons, but you have to give your time. Okay, I go like French course, but I know I take 6 hours a week, but I know if I don't study by myself apart from the lessons, I can't learn the language. Yeah, our course is perfect. I mean, my French course, of course Kurmanji course is the same, but for my French lessons, I know if I don't study at home during the week, I forget everything I learned during the weekend. So if you are going to study Kurmanji, like you put it to your head, like learn it, like you, so be decisive, okay? Like you need to say, okay, I will learn, but not only the lessons, I will watch videos, I will try to read stories, I will listen to podcasts. We have many Kurdish podcasts. You need to just write Kurdish on your Spotify. It is really easy nowadays. Before, yeah, there wasn't enough materials, but now on Twitter, on Instagram, we have like many accounts sharing Kurmanji things. So if you want to learn, write me an email. It can be just from the link via website, or just you can write me an email, KurdishLessons2019@gmail.com. So I am ready to answer you whenever you have any questions. And apart from the course, if you want to take private lessons, like one-to-one lessons, I am ready. Our other teachers also ready to teach you, to study with you. Okay, so it was a bit long, sorry, but now let's read our book. So, Birayê Emmayê nexweş e. Birayê biçûk nexweş e. Ew dikixwe û çilmokî bûye. Li tevahîya laşê wî gelek pizrikên sor û biçûk derketine. Birayê biçûk xwe di nav cihê bavo de dirêj dike. Lê dîsa jî her tim digirî. Bavo li agirê wî mêze dike. Agirê wî 39 derece bilind e. 39 behnok 2 derece bilind e. Dayê telefonî doktor dike. Dema ku li ser pizirik û agirê wî bi doktora dipeyivê, ew bi dengekî nerihete. Bavo şerbetê dide birayê biçûk û wî dihewîne. Paşê doktor tê. Doktor bi lez û bez e. Dema ku doktor laşê birayê biçûk kontrol dike, destê xwe bi pizirikên wî dike. Li hundirê guhên wî mêze dike û li qirika wî mêze dike. Doktor ji dayê û bavora dibêje, birayê biçûk sorik derxistine. Sorik nexweşiyeke têgerîn e. Birayê biçûk divê ji bo agirê xwe derman bixwe. Doktor bi dayê û bi bavora dipeyive û dibêje heya pizirik û agirê wî dakeve, divê birayê biçûk pir vexwarinê vexwe û xwe dirêj bike. لی دکتر جه امایه تشتکی نابیجه. برای بچوک گناه نخوشه و پزرک درخستنه. پزرکن امایه توننه. دماکو اما لقرکا خودنره تو پزرک لقرکاوی تونیه. لسر زمانه ویجی تونیه. لیدی سجی دیشه. ویگاوی اما قطیا خوی رنگان دگره و تینه. جبوناکو خویا بکه او نخوشه نختکن لسر چاوی خوچه دکه. اما زمانه خوشی رنگ دکه کو خویا بکه قرقاویجی دیشه. پاشه اما دچه هنده دایه باو کو رای وان بده بی پاشه اما دچه هنده دایه و باو کو رای وان بده بی او چقاس نخوشه. لیجبر کو دایه و باو گله کی بلزن او تشتکی نابینن. باو ای زوزوکا هر درمان خانه و درمان برای بچوک بکره و دایه جی کتیه لز و بزا و خوارن و پیجمین پاقش. اما دقیره باو دینه دایه دینه برای بچوک دینه او حرس و خمگین بویه کو کسک نابینه او نخوشه. دایه لأما یه هرس به جبرکو او دقیره و دایه جی پر کاره وی هیه و باو جی لدایه هرس به جبرکو دایه لأما یه هرس به. لپاشه هر ساوان دادکوی دما باو جبونا درمان دچه درمان خانه دایه و اما هفدو دحوینن. دایه دویجه کو او به حمده خوال اما یه هرس بویه او کتیه تاتولا نخوشیه برای بچوک. اما دویجه او جی به حمده خواه هرس بویه او توایه روژا مایی باو دایه او اما همو ببرای بچوک ددکوین. هر وها او نختکن کو اما یلوری خو چه کرنه او وان جی جبیر دکن. لی ایواره دما کو اما وان نختکن خوین مزن و رنگین پاک دشو پزرکن بچوک و راستین دردکوین. اما یه سورک درخستنه آنها حتی کو آگر و پزرکن و وندا ببن دوی اوجی دناف نوینن باو دا خود ریج بگه. اما دویجی حجبه دما کو مرف ادی پزرکا نخوازه جی او دیسا لمرف دردکوین. It's a very nice book. It's about illness of Emma's brother. So he is getting ill. The mother and father are like taking care of him, but Emma is jealous. So she's trying to get ill, and then she really gets ill. So it's about this. So if you want to re-listen, so you need to re-listen from the video. I'm not going to read it. It's getting late here, so I'm going to sleep a little bit. And then, so as I said, if you are really interested in elementary course, if you want to improve your Kurdish skills, join us. Okay, thank you so much. Have a perfect evening. Baka baka.